Hello guys, gonna show how to create a knowledge base space with Confluence. So don't forget to subscribe for the channel for more Confluence tutorials. So open your Confluence on your browser and log into your account. Head over to the left sidebar and head over to spaces and click on that, and here click on create space. Name your space, for example, my knowledge space, and here shows the knowledge base space. So here you can create, publish and share important documentation, and space access is default. You can also make it restricted and click on next. Here configuring your knowledge base, you can have to switch on blogs or calendars on this space. And if you have the built-in page history, you can choose version needed and choose automated busy work. So make sure you check all these features to be included in your knowledge base space, and click on create space. And here it is, guys. Confluence is creating your knowledge base space. And here it is, guys. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.